Hello, please subscribe to Kids Z Fun for more fun videos. Mmm.
E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had some chicks. E-I-E-I-O, you're a chick chick here and a chick chick there. You're a chick there, chick everywhere, chick chick. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O, and some ducks. E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there. You're a quack there, a quack everywhere, a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O, with a baba here and a baba there. You're about there, about everywhere, a baba. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-O, and on this farm he had some pigs. E-I-E-I-O, with a grunt grunt here and a grunt grunt there. You're a grunt there, a grunt everywhere, a grunt grunt. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had some cows. E-I-E-I-O, with a moo here and a moo there. You're a moo there, a moo everywhere, a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had some horses. E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there. You're a neigh there, a neigh everywhere, a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had some ducks. E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there. You're a quack there, a quack everywhere, a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O, with a baba here and a baba